In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch PC 600 or 610 plastic backrest actuator bracket with a metal bracket. And we'll do this with the chair tipped onto its left-hand side. First thing we're going to do is use a 4mm Allen wrench and a vice grip or pliers to hold the nut on the other side of the bolt to remove the two Allen bolts that secure the bracket. Next, we'll slide the actuator toward the chair seat so that we can remove the brackets. Next, we're going to remove a couple parts that are most likely stuck inside these plastic brackets that we are going to need when installing the new brackets. So we're going to remove the two square parts with the there's a plastic circle inside each square part. We need both of those parts. Next, we'll install one of the square inserts with the circular insert in the middle onto each of the bolts on either side of the actuator. And then we'll position that actuator inside the cutout in the stretcher bar to hold those inserts in place, like so. Next, we're going to make sure we have all of the pieces we need of the metal bracket assembly. So we'll make sure we have these two pieces of the bracket, this one having a larger hole than this one. The two screws, the two smaller brackets, and these 4 small screws. Okay, so first we're going to take the larger bracket that has the larger hole and place it on this side of the actuator with the little ledges facing outward. And then we'll install the 2 long screws through the holes from this side. Next, we'll install the other larger bracket on the other side of the stretcher bar in the same way. And then turn those screws until the bracket is flush with the stretcher bar. For the final tightening of that, you can use a 4mm Allen wrench. Next, we'll install the smaller bracket across each end of those two larger brackets and secure it with two of the smaller screws and a 5mm Allen wrench. Again, installing the screws first by hand and then tightening it with the Allen wrench. And we're done.